2 rounds for Eagle.
All right.
Dallas to my left. Neil to my right. All right, let's go. Round 1. See that so fast now. Bring those hands together. Round 1. In the big blue in search of a skate. Grinning and laughing and laughing and grinning. Had my crew, had the whole scene play. No non-news, push 14 came. Down in the back, the sun was top. Waiting for the head, cause you don't shop. Just nothing ever stop. Now when the hood needs still one really can't go to do a spark. Run about you, run on the end of the block. If it was a little color in the blue. Oh, confidence, driven by the state. Yo, Jody, yo, gotta go, gotta think. Wait, don't worry about it, keep a fly, I'm keeping a fade. Ready to round 2. I never do the big phone. Chico was so sweet, it was such a sin. The end, no, my bad, I was shy. Long hours, out and for a while in my heart, I was on the floor. I celebrate that. We try to play late with love, I'm in the skin. I try to touch your hands. I know I try to touch your hands. Alright, now this is the last round. You gotta play it nice and easy. But I guess you want that different. First to see, we got a serious block. I'm looking over the spot. Spot, I'm putting in love, who's sitting at the trade match. I'm backing up a body and sing. All to the name, now you wanna swim, but in the rack. Your man by a preacher man. Your ladies up to not me and say, never mind, love. The baby big cat. The baby big cat. The baby big cat. Oh, you ready for both of these guys, everybody? Stop talking about it. Down. Thank you. All right. Judges, you need a little more time? You guys good? Okay, cool. All right, judges on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We got Eagle with the win. Everybody give it up, y'all. Show some love for Dallas, too.